Sa bawat marka sa balat, may kwento.
We are not contagious. Hindi kayo mahahawa by merely touching us.
At sa bawat kwento, may pag-asa.
The financial journey is as difficult as the social journey for rare disease.
Sa pagdiriwang ng Rare Disease Day nitong February 28, isang pagtitipon ang ginanap para talakayin ang neurofibromatosis type 1 o NF1, neurofibromatosis type 2 o NF2, at schwannomatosis upang mas mapalawak ang kaalaman at kamalayan ng mga Pilipino ukol sa mga ito.
The gene that's involved here is actually a tumor suppressor gene. If the gene is affected, the body has unceasing growth in terms of the nerve cells. It's about 100,000 Filipino children living with just a neuromuscular rare disease.
4 na taong gulang pa lamang si Ravi nang na-diagnose ng NF1. Ang kanyang kaso ay resulta ng isang genetic mutation, pagbabago sa DNA nang hindi namana mula sa kanyang pamilya.
And the thing about NF1 is that it's unique per patient. So iba yung manifestation sa kanya, iba yung manifestation sa akin. Although you're sometimes conscious about it, pero alam mo naman dadami siya in the first place. So, yes, sometimes you don't think about it, but sometimes you do, several consults. Sabi ko nga, multiple nipples kasi nga, pag talagang tight, ang daming bumps.
Sa kaso naman ni Ara, nagsimula ang lahat sa iba't ibang birthmark sa kanyang katawan. Ngunit hindi tulad ni Ravi na na-diagnose ng maaga, nalaman lamang ni Ara na may NF1 siya noong 16 na taong gulang na siya. Aniya, namana niya ito sa tiyahin ng kanyang ina.
I used to be a very shy person because of my condition. But my parents told me, don't put yourself in a box na ikaw lang din yung magsasuffer. Go out, socialize, and Papo has helped me a lot because with them I was able to raise awareness about NF. All the public were able to know what NF is about. Don't make it much harder for yourself. Ipakita mo kung ano yung kaya mo pang ipakita, 'di ba? Excel on what do you think you can really excel of, and having a voice also. Use your voice on your condition. Maybe for you nakakahiya, but who knows, that little voice will get louder, di ba? It started from you.
Sa kabila ng kanilang sitwasyon, patuloy silang namumuhay ng normal at nagsusumikap sa buhay. Ngunit sa kasamaang palad, marami pa rin daw ang maling paglalarawan sa may NF1 sa media na nagdulot ng stigma sa lipunan.
Yung mga feature documentaries would highlight, itong batang to, hindi nakakalakad, pinagtatawanan ng neighbors because they would look like circus show features.
Sometimes, particularly when covering NF, sometimes I don't like to watch it because it's so negative.
It's very painful for us patients. What we request from the media, please try to find a patient who is more knowledgeable and have information about their diseases.
Sa tulong ng iba't ibang organisasyon, eksperto at mga individual na handang makinig at kumilos at taunang paggunita sa Rare Disease Day, inaasahang mas mapapabuti ang sitwasyon ng mga Pilipinong may pambihirang karamdaman. Para sa iba pang content, follow lamang ang social media pages ng News 5.